Our first port day was here in Juneau, where we were docked from 2:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. I'm not typically an early riser because I have a sleep disorder, so my day usually starts around lunch, and that's where this day started for me. Lunch was in the Haven restaurant. I enjoyed the couscous salad as well as the French dip. Both were excellent. In addition, we shared the Frito Misto appetizer, and Mr. Creaky Knees ordered the brie burger. No brie, no mayonnaise. Before heading out on our excursion, we stopped into the Haven Lounge just to see what kind of snacks they had on offer. The make-your-own trail mix was very tempting, but we didn't take anything. The concierge escorts Haven guests off of the ship using the crew elevator. This allows us to bypass any long lines there may be waiting to disembark. Our excursion was the Alaska Whales and Rainforest Trails at $259 a person. We boarded a smaller boat, and the small group size made the excursion feel more personal and private. We were able to see several humpback whales, along with a group of stellar sea lions. Not only was the landscape spectacular, but our boat's captain, as well as our botanist guide, were excellent.
Oh my goodness, they're right there. There's two right here. He's upside down.
They even served us hot cocoa while we were slowed down to view some wildlife. I don't think anyone can prepare you for just how majestic the scenery is in Alaska. This was absolutely a bucket list trip. About halfway through, we headed for a rocky beach to disembark and to board a bus for the hike portion of the trip. We were led by a student botanist who guided us through the Juneau Park's Rainforest Trail. This is a gentle hike with a slight incline, and I think it's accessible for most. You may need to use a trekking pole. We did. It has a rocky beach, beautiful swamp cabbage and Sitka spruce, ferns, western hemlock. It was absolutely breathtaking. We returned to the ship and we had time to clean up from our hike before we headed for dinner in the Haven restaurant. I thoroughly enjoyed my lobster deviled eggs for dinner, as well as my surf and surf, which was crab cake and a lobster tail. We both experienced steak tartare for the first time, which was prepared tableside and according to our tastes. I can't remember, unfortunately, what Mr. Creaky Knees had for dinner, but we shared the OMG caramel butterscotch cheesecake for dessert. Upon our return to the Encore, our butler had snacks waiting for us in our cabin. We didn't really have time to eat this, so I placed it into our refrigerator for later.